Welcome to the Leslie Dan Faculty of Pharmacy building, located on the corner of University and College in the heart of Toronto's Discovery District. Designed by renowned architect Norman Foster, the Leslie Dan Faculty of Pharmacy opened its doors to students in 2009. Since then, it has undergone numerous upgrades, including the addition of the Discovery Pharmacy, U of T's dedicated pharmacy. Below the atrium, you'll find two large lecture halls, student lockers, and spaces dedicated to student life, such as the PharmD Student Lounge, prayer rooms, and the home base for our Undergraduate Pharmacy Society. Heading to the second floor of the building, you'll find plenty of open study space, as well as the entrance to our large pod. Yes, those floating pods you see from outside are indeed lecture halls, and have also been featured in a number of films and television shows. The third floor features even more study space, including the top of the large pod. This unique space is a favorite of our students. The fourth floor is home to our faculty registrar, PharmD program office, and Office of Experiential Education. These offices provide support to students in our PharmD program and serve as the first point of contact for students seeking advice on academic and financial matters. On the fifth and sixth floors, you'll find faculty, graduate student and administrative staff offices, along with the Graduate Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences Program Office and Graduate Student Lounge. On Fridays, you'll often catch graduate students enjoying their weekly coffee hour. Welcome to our professional practice lab, housed on the 7th floor of our faculty. Here, PharmD students hone their counseling skills, undertaking the role of a pharmacist in a simulated practice, conducting patient interviews, providing medication-related patient education, and much more. The 8th floor houses our pharmaceutics teaching lab, one of the largest of its kind in Canada. In this lab, our students learn the science behind drug formulation and explore the technical aspects important in dosage form design and their therapeutic applications. Lastly, floors 9 to 12 are home to our wet research labs. Here, you'll find world-leading scientists exploring everything from identifying new drug targets to affordable diagnostics to detect disease. Unlike any other pharmacy faculty, we are centrally located within Toronto's Mars Discovery District, a hub of scientific innovation and entrepreneurial creativity. The Leslie Dan Faculty of Pharmacy collaborates with 14 fully affiliated teaching hospitals. Known as the Toronto Academic Health Science Network, most of these world-leading teaching hospitals are within a short walk from our building. With more to explore in person, come see for yourself.